You can lose your university admission this year if you fail to do this one thing. I know someone who scored very high in JAMB and lost his admission 2 years ago because he never uploaded his O-level results on JAMB CAPS. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check if your O-level results have been uploaded on JAMB CAPS. Let's go, guys. So this is how to check if your O-level results have been uploaded to your JAMB portal. So the first thing is to go to JAMB official website, which I am currently on at present. So the website is, you see, jamb.gov.ng/efacility, or you can just search online JAMB e-facility website or JAMB official website. So this is the website. You are going to drop the email address that you used to register for JAMB, the email address that you dropped for them. So you are going to put the email address in this particular column, and then a password that was sent to you the time that you registered. If you can remember, a password was sent to you the time that you registered. The password that started with CAND, C-A-N-D. That's what the password always starts with. So you put the password there. But if you can't remember, just click on forgot password. This forgot password, click here to reset it. You can just click it if you can't remember, and then you put your email address here. You get. But I actually know my own password. After putting your email address here, they will send you a new password in your Gmail. So when they send that new password to you, you can now use that new password to log in. So you click back to login. So when you click back to login, then you put your email address and you log in. You put your email address and you log in. So after logging in, this is how the interface is going to look like. If yours is not looking like this, and if you are using an Android phone, this is what you are going to do. You are going to click the hamburger sign on your Chrome browser or any browser you are using, and then you convert it to desktop site. You get me? When you convert it to desktop site, it's going to be very big like this. So the next thing is to click on check admission status. This one on purple, check admission status. You click on it. So after clicking on check admission status, then you click on access my caps. You see, access my caps. You click access my caps. So when you click access my caps, you can see my O level. You see, this is my O level. You click on my O level. So you click on my O level. So when you click on my O level, you see, so it's going to show you the subjects, your O level subjects. But if it is not showing anything, just know that your O level results have not been uploaded. And if your O level results have not been uploaded, it can debar you from gaining admission at the right time. You understand? So if yours is not showing, you should go to a JAMB accredited CBT center and ensure that you upload your O level results. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.